Introduce our smart bidet toilet for your premium lifestyle. Sophisticated piece of technology with bidet and toilet in one. So enjoy and always be comfortable with VOVO STYLEMENT. Premium design with sleek tankless system. Eco-friendly power save mode with LED display. Simply walk into the room and it will automatically open for you. Soft touch remote provides easy operation. LED night light guides you in the dark. Enjoy the comfort with wide heated seat. 5 adjustable water pressures with self-cleaning full stainless steel nozzle guarantees hygienic usage. Warm air dryer in 3 adjustable temperatures reduces usage of toilet paper. Built-in deodorization provides additional touch in your bathroom. Tornado Flush swirls and cleans the waste efficiently. Just leave, it will flush. Auto flushing system provides hands-free operation. VOVO STYLEMENT Bidet Toilet won German IF Design Award, being #1 in South Korea domestic and export market. Now, let's move on to installation method. Bidet toilet can be separated into 2 parts, upper part and lower part. These are the necessary components for installation. Please advise the installation manual for correct installation. Turn off the tap to stop the water supply. Please refer to the installation manual for the suggested dimension. Use the provided template. Connect the water hose to the tap. Attach the wax ring. Check the location of the wax ring and the screw and attach the lower part. Secure the lower part with the nut. Put the hose inside. Attach the hose with the upper part. Connect the upper part. Turn on the tap to open the water supply. Plug in to turn on the bidet toilet. Check the power LED light to see if the upper part is operational. Attach the remote control to your preferred location and installation is now complete. Thank you for watching our guide and always be comfortable with VOVO STYLEMENT.